That exactly. And you know what? Unless you mirror match someone and and you do the same thing, there's no way that you could actually win. And it's like it's so stupid, and that's like why I said I definitely would not play. Like that's and I did it, but it's like it's not fun.
Right now, I'm actually looking for games for my kids because I have a 10-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 3-year-old, or 4-year-old actually. And so I'm always looking for like good games, like learning educational games for my little one. And that's pretty cool. Yeah, they have like a lot of little like games that you can subscribe to, I guess, and not have to pay too much.